This is how to get your bank confirmation letter on the FNB app in South Africa. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. Let's get started. Open the FNB app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the bottom of the screen and tap the option called Bank. This will take you straight to all your accounts. Now choose the specific bank account you want the confirmation letter for. When you tap on it, you will first land on the transaction history screen. At the top, you will see two tabs. Tap the tab on the right that says Account Options. When the Account Options page opens, scroll down. The Account Confirmation Letter option is not near the top. It appears closer to the bottom of the list, so scroll until you see the icon that says Account Confirmation Letter. Tap on Account Confirmation Letter and the app will open a new page. Here you will see the confirmation letter for your account. Your account details will appear as a PDF file, and you can tap the download icon on the right to save it or send it wherever you need, and that is it. That is how you get your bank confirmation letter on the FNB app in South Africa. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more helpful banking guides.